Important. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Do your own research or consult a professional before making financial decisions. The views expressed are those of the creator alone. In a world where wealth is within arm's reach, why do so many grasp at air? It's not just about the dollars in your bank, the coins in your pocket, or the cards in your wallet. There's a hidden element to wealth, an energy most overlook. What if I told you that the secret to financial success isn't found in the latest finance book or the stock market's ups and downs, but within the energy you carry towards money itself? Stay with me, and I'll show you how to harness this energy, blending the mystical with the practical, to not just chase wealth, but to attract it. Welcome to Mystica's Guide to Manifesting Financial Success, where the path to wealth takes a turn into the unexplored territories of energy and intention. Here, we merge the mystical with the mundane to unlock the doors to abundance. It's not just about working harder. It's about aligning your financial destiny with the universe's vast wealth. Today, we're not just sharing tips. We're transforming mindsets. If you're ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about money and open yourself to the wealth you've always dreamed of, then you're in the right place. But before we dive into the secrets of manifesting financial success, I have a question that might stir the pot. Do you believe that your attitude towards money could be what's holding you back from true wealth? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're intrigued by the idea of transforming your financial journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on any of our mystical insights into making money work for you. Ready to shift your financial frequency? Let's get started. Let's dive into the heart of our journey, understanding the energy of money. Money, in its essence, is energy and a medium of exchange that reflects our values, intentions, and the energy we put into the world. How you perceive and interact with money significantly influences your ability to attract and maintain wealth. Consider this: if you view money with fear or negativity, you repel its flow. But by respecting money's energy, seeing it as a tool for growth and positive change, you invite more of it into your life. It's about shifting from a mindset of scarcity, fearing there will never be enough, to one of abundance, trusting that the universe will provide. This shift doesn't happen overnight. It begins with awareness, acknowledging your current beliefs about money and consciously choosing to adopt a more empowering perspective. Now, let's move from the why to the how, translating this understanding into practical steps you can take to transform your financial reality. Reflecting on this, I invite you to pause for a moment. How do you currently view money? Is it with apprehension or openness? Share your initial thoughts in the comments below. Armed with a new understanding of money's energy, it's time to align your actions with your financial intentions. Here's how you can start manifesting the wealth you desire. First, organize your finances. Clarity breeds success. Begin by organizing your financial documents, creating a budget, and setting clear, achievable goals. This act alone sends a powerful message to the universe about your readiness to receive wealth. Next, use affirmations and visualization. Reinforce your wealth mindset daily with affirmations like, "I am a magnet for prosperity," and visualize achieving your financial goals. This practice aligns your energy with the flow of abundance. Take the example of Sam, who used daily affirmations and visualization techniques to manifest financial success. By consistently visualizing themselves achieving their financial goals and repeating affirmations, Sam not only improved their financial situation, but also opened the door to unexpected wealth opportunities. Educate yourself on investing. Knowledge is a form of empowerment. Start small if you need to, but begin learning about different investment vehicles and how they can work for you. Remember, it's not just about saving money, but growing it. Finally, apply Feng Shui principles. Enhance the wealth area of your home or workspace to attract positive financial energy. Simple changes like decluttering, adding plants, or using specific colors can make a significant difference. Maria applied Feng Shui principles to her workspace, focusing on decluttering and adding elements that attract wealth, like a small fountain and green plants. This not only improved the energy of her working environment, but also coincided with an increase in her freelance clients, showcasing the impact of one's surroundings on financial success. By taking these practical steps, you're not just managing money, you're inviting prosperity into your life through both action and intention. It's a powerful combination that opens doors to financial success. With these steps laid out, which one do you feel most ready to tackle? Is there one that feels more challenging? I'd love to hear your perspective and any questions you might have. Comment below. Now that we've explored the energetic and practical sides of manifesting financial success, it's time to turn knowledge into action. But first, let's engage your thoughts and energy with a quick challenge. Challenge. For the next week, observe your thoughts and language around money. Do you speak of abundance, or is there a narrative of lack? Share one positive financial affirmation you'll use to shift your mindset in the comments below. And here's your practical challenge. Choose one financial goal to focus on this month. It could be as simple as saving a small percentage of your income, organizing your financial documents, or learning about an investment option. Document your progress and share your experience with our community. Let's support and inspire each other on this journey to abundance. Your insights and stories are what make our community so special. Engaging with each other's journeys enriches our collective experience and amplifies our ability to manifest success. So don't hesitate to dive into the comments section. As we wrap up today's guide to manifesting financial success, remember that the journey to wealth is both an internal and external endeavor. By aligning your energy with your financial actions, you create a powerful conduit for abundance. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If today's guide resonated with you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Mystica's insights into wealth, energy, and beyond. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to transform your financial destiny. And remember, your path to financial success is as unique as your energy. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as the universe aligns with your intentions. Until next time, keep manifesting, keep thriving, and let's continue to grow together.